Looking at our tool palette over on the right hand side, you'll see that both of our options are grayed out. So if we hover over the first one, this is telling me that we can't take a measurement from this particular panoramic image because it does not contain any depth information. If we want to create annotations, we have to be logged in as a project editor. So I'm going to log in to get those new permissions, and then we'll come back and take a look. So now that I've logged in and I have permissions to edit the project, you'll see that the second button now allows me to create annotation. And if I want to mark this up, I'm just going to put a little window around here. And I'm going to call this a safety. I'm going to call that a tripping hazard. If I want to have somebody address this, I can assign this task to somebody. I can assign a due date for this one, and I can assign a status for that one saying that it is open. And now we can see that this is highlighted and we have the annotation. In order to edit this, we can simply open this up and then click the edit option, and we can go in and change this. Or we can delete it, or we can share this. So it's going to create a link that we can share out. And to collapse this, just simply hit the X. Now, if we jump into our point cloud mode, you'll see the measure tools now available because we actually have depth information here. So if we want to take some measurements, just simply pick the point on the point cloud. I'm going to pick a point on the underside of the beam here. And pick a point on the floor. And that's going to get that height information for me. You can also pick the width of the beam here. And if I want to make any edits, just simply click the measurement. And we can either copy that to a clipboard, we can change the units to meters, feet and inches, we can delete this, or we can create an annotation from this as well. When you create a measurement or an annotation, it doesn't necessarily have to be a task that's assigned. It can be just something as simple as a valve tag or an equipment tag.